Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you sleep after eating? It's a question that stirs curiosity, doesn't it? From the moment we take that last bite, our bodies begin a fascinating journey. It's a process that, while we're oblivious to it, plays a crucial role in our health and well-being. Understanding this might change how you view your late-night snacks and dinners. So, are you ready to delve into this journey? Stay with us to discover the journey your body embarks on when you fall asleep after a meal. Eating before sleep triggers your digestive system into action. Let's dive into this fascinating process that happens within the intricate machinery of our bodies. When you consume food, it doesn't just sit in your stomach. Instead, your body immediately kicks into high gear. The food is gradually broken down into simpler substances by powerful enzymes and stomach acids. This process of digestion, while sounding quite scientific, is the first step in the journey of the food you eat. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Once your meal has been efficiently broken down in the stomach, it's time for the small intestine to take over. This is where the magic really happens. The small intestine is responsible for absorbing the nutrients from your food. Everything, from the proteins that build your muscles to the carbs that fuel your brain, is absorbed here. Now let's bring two unsung heroes into the spotlight, the liver and the pancreas. The liver processes the nutrients absorbed by the small intestine, turning them into forms that the body can use. Meanwhile, the pancreas plays a crucial role by releasing insulin. This hormone manages blood sugar levels and ensures that your body cells get the energy they need. So as it turns out, while you're wrapped up in your cozy blankets, drifting off into dreamland, your body is far from idle. It's busy at work, processing and distributing the nutrients from your dinner, ensuring you wake up ready to seize the day. Eating and sleeping have significant effects on your metabolism. Now let's delve a little deeper into this. When you're in the land of dreams, your metabolic rate, the speed at which your body uses energy, slows down. This is because your body needs less energy when at rest than when it's active. However, if you've just had a meal before hitting the sack, your body has an influx of energy from the food you've consumed. But with your metabolism in low gear, the body doesn't use all this energy. So what does it do with the excess? It stores it as fat. That's right, your body is like a resourceful squirrel, storing away food for later use. However, unlike the squirrel, you probably don't want these extra stores. So, your late-night snack could be contributing more to your waistline than you might think. Did you know that eating before bed can also impact your sleep quality? Indulging in heavy meals close to bedtime can cause discomfort, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Moreover, lying down after eating increases the risk of acid reflux, a condition where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing heartburn and affecting your sleep. To ensure a good night's sleep, it's best to give your body time to digest before hitting the hay. So, what have we learned about sleeping after eating? We've discovered that our bodies continue to digest food even when we're asleep. Metabolic changes that occur can potentially contribute to weight gain. Furthermore, indulging in a late-night snack can negatively impact the quality of our sleep. The takeaway here is the importance of giving our bodies ample time to digest before we hit the hay. Remember, giving your body time to digest before sleep can help maintain your overall health. Sweet dreams!